Let's check this case out from Dbrand. This is the Ultra Legion Go S. Holy mackerel. Let's go. Oh, wow. Black Friday deal. Purchase delivered, you're welcome. Screen protectors. Very nice. Pack of cards. Very nice. Oh. Those are cool. This is the world's fastest unboxing. Nice touch. Oh, whoops. And again, this was the Black Friday deal. It's the Ultra. So it's the case. The skins, check those out. Very nice packaged. Not sure what that is. Oh, those are the buttons. Good deal. You go 69. Look at that. Wow, that does feel good. So this pops off like that. Good venting on the back. It's for the Legion Go S. It's got a nice kickstand. Pretty cool. Well, let's snap it on. I'm not going to put the skins on yet. I just want to see how easy this goes on. Watch the video first. Well, I have kind of watched the video, not really. We'll just see how I can do it as a first timer. I feel like I want to put the triggers in first, but I don't know if that's going to pay off. Nope. This is why you watch the video first, folks. There we go. Oh yeah, it's way easier from the back. That's what she said. Boom. Nice. Hey, what's up? Wow, that's grippy. I like that. Very grippy. It's like kind of reminds me of grip tape on a skateboard, but a little more smoothed out, if that makes sense. Not in a bad way. But yeah, it reminds me of like a very fine, like a grip tape, skateboard grip tape. And it's pretty light. Okay, let's try the cover. That one, pause. This is what I was excited about because then you could just throw it in your backpack. But I don't want it to mess up the sticks. Oh, there we go. Look at that. You're literally ready to go. Just toss it in your backpack. Boom. Pull it out, fully protected. If you want to look at these stick grips, those are pretty nice. I actually got the ones from Lenovo, and I like those ones, but these are pretty nice too. I like how they feel. And let's see how easy it is to take off. I heard this speed. Oh, it's not that hard. I read a review somewhere that somebody said it was like really difficult to pull that off. It's not difficult, my friends. But that is my, oh, here, I'll pull these out so you can see them. Those will look pretty cool on here. Though I have to admit, I actually like the nebula color. So we'll see if I put those on or not. Overall, I like it. That's my 5-minute unboxing of the Dbrand Killswitch Ultra setup. Thanks for watching.